Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about subtracting from 4 and 5. Today I've got up my Unifix cubes and I just counted out 5 because that's the most I should need if I'm going to subtract. When I subtract, I always start with my biggest number. So it tells me that I am going to use 4 and 5 and I'm going to take away from that. So as I read my story problem, it says I'm going to use these cubes and it says there are four crocodiles in a lake. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are my 4 crocodiles. Then it says 3 of the crocodiles get out. So let me mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are my 4 crocodiles. It says 3 of them get out. 1, 2, 3. So then I'm going to X them. How many crocodiles are left? So I started with 4. I removed 3 of them. And that left me with 1. So if I have 4, 1, 2, 3, take 3 away, that leaves me with 1 crocodile left in the lake. So my subtraction sentence would be 4, what I started with, minus, that's my sign here, minus 3 that I'm going to get rid of, equals 1. 1 is the difference between 4 and 3. On the back of that page, we're just going to practice, and it says you can subtract 4 and 5. Subtract 2 from 4. So they have the 4 cubes for us. They've X'd out the 2 that we're going to get rid of, and the difference is what I have left right here. I have 2 left. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then it says subtract 1 from 5. So they gave me 5 cubes. I took 1 away. This is what I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. The difference is 4. So down here it says start with 4 cubes, subtract some cubes, and cross out the cubes. Write a different way to subtract from 4. So I'm going to start with my 4, and then I'm going to think of one way that I can subtract from 4. If I have 4, I could take 1 away, so I would X out 1, and that would leave me with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 left. So I'm going to do that on number 2, number 3, and number 4. I'm just going to start again. I have 4. What's a different way that I could subtract from 4? I already took 1 away, so now I need to do it a different way. So let's say I'm going to take 2 away. 4 minus 2, 1, 2. I'm going to cross out 2. Leaves me 2. I have 2 left. So 4 minus 2 gives me 2. We're going to do that with 3 and 4 also. I'm going to let you do that on your own. And then it says down here, talk math. What does difference mean in subtraction? The difference is what I have left. I start with a number, I get rid of some, and then I have the difference. That is what I have left at the end of my number sentence. So that is what I have left when I subtract. When you get to the beginning of the next page, you're going to do the same thing, only this time you're going to subtract from 5. So you're going to start with 5 cubes, you're going to cross out however many you want, and then you're going to tell me how many's left. Just remember, it's important, they want you to do number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9, all different. So you should write a different number in here to make each one a true sentence. That means you're going to have to cross out a different number of cubes each time that you do this. So let's say if I'm going to say 5 take away 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left. If I did 1 here, I can't cross out 1 here. I have to cross out a different number here. So I'm going to do that all those times. And then it says use work mat 3 and your cubes. So you're just going to use your cubes. If you can't find your work mat, it should have been in your glossary. And you're just going to start with 4, our first number. I'm going to take 1 away. And then what do I have left? 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to write 3. This one I'm going to start with 5. I'm going to take 2 away. 1, 2. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. The difference of 5 and 2 is 3. The next one says, I'm going to start with 5. I'm going to take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have any left. And we've already talked about subtracting a number from itself and subtracting 0. Then I have 4 minus 2. So I'm going to take my 4. I'm going to take 2 away. 1, 2. I have 2 left over. Please remember on the bottom here, when our problems go up and down, we want to write the answer at the bottom. Some of the homework we've been getting, people have been writing the answer to the side. We need to write it on the bottom. But I can still use my cubes to count. My 5. I'm going to take 3 away. That's going to give me 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So that's how you're going to continue to do that side too. When you're on the back, you've got some story problems. So it says, Juan draws 4 hippos. He crosses out 2. How many hippos are there now? So he's going to draw 4. If I want to do just a quick math drawing, I'm just going to do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's going to cross out 2. How many does he have left? Well, he had 4 minus 2. He has 1, 2. He has 2 hippos left. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Billy draws 5 lions. I'm going to do it the same way. I'm just going to do a quick drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He crosses out 1. How many lions are there now? Explain how you solved the problem to a friend. So just explain it to somebody in your home if you're not in school today. So I'm going to start with 5. I'm going to take 1 away. I'm going to have 4 lions left. Isabel wrote this subtraction sentence. 5 minus 2 equals 4. Tell me why Isabel is wrong and correct it for her. You're correct. She is wrong because 5 minus 2 is not 4. And if I don't know for sure, I'm just going to draw another picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take 2 away. What do I have left? 3. The answer is 3. So tell why Isabel is wrong. So Isabel is wrong because, that's a big word, and the word is because, not cuz, because 5 minus 2 equals 3. I only have 3 left. That is the difference of 5 minus 2. After you finish that, then you just need to do your homework. This is find different ways. So you're going to decide if you have 4, how many you're going to take away, what's left. Same way down here with the 5s. And on the back side, they've given you the number you're going to take away. You have another story problem, and you have another brain builder. Bye.